something that's probably on your mind right now, which is, I would love to do Amazon, but I don't know how to find a product. Where do I start to find a product? What's up guys, Adam here, coming to you from beautiful Burleigh Heads on the Gold Coast, and I have with you today one of my good friends of more than 20 years, Wayne, who is not only a super successful Amazon seller in his own right, but he is also the head of our coaching division. His job is to help our students that have signed up for coaching to get them from wherever they are to wherever they want to be. And so he's a really interesting guy to talk to. Now, what I wanted to get him on camera for today is to talk about something that's probably on your mind right now, which is, I would love to do Amazon, but I don't know how to find a product. Where do I start to find a product? Now, Wayne, you get asked this all the time. Tell us, how do you answer that? How do you just get people pointed in the right direction? Creating products is complex, but where do you start?
Well, the start is simple. You just go to the market and you find out what's working and you replicate that.
Right.
So the inspiration can come from just a wander down to your local Bunnings or your local department store, and the guys who figure out what to put on those shelves are going to do more research than you'll ever be able to do. So just start there and find out what's actually selling, and then start the innovation process where you'll actually be better than what's currently in the market.
And that's the key, right? It's to find a big selling product, but then innovate. Innovation is what's in short supply. And in our program, we spend a lot of time teaching people how to not only innovate on a product, but how to protect that innovation and then how to source it. And that's what creates long-term value. Now, some people sitting at home right now might be thinking, and I see this all the time, people who don't back themselves. In fact, they underestimate their ability, and they think that because Amazon's a mature market, all the money that's ever been made has been made and there's no room. What are you seeing from an evidence point of view in the private community and beyond? What's happening right now with people who have education?
It's amazing. The people that learn about things like innovation and sourcing well and commercial viability, they go into these established markets, and all of a sudden, just because of the knowledge that they've got on board, they are better than established sellers. They've got a better product, a better approach to the market, and better marketing. Yeah. So the education cuts through people who've been doing it for years and years.
Yeah. So guys, there you have it. If you want to get started, you want to learn how to do this properly, Wayne and I are going to be sharing some more videos with you to help you along that journey. But Wayne has a really interesting perspective, because that's all he does all day, every day, is work with some of our top sellers, teaching them, all of whom started with no knowledge and have gone on to create successful Amazon businesses. So Wayne, thanks for your time today. Pleasure. And we'll make a few more of these videos. Hopefully you're enjoying them. Bye for now.